Want to start a multi-vendor meat delivery application? Then have a look on our latest developed application, Delicious. Delicious is a multi-vendor meat delivery application similar to Licious. Here you can see the UI and UX of our application. Here you can see sliders, categories, trending food and many more. If you want to start a multi-vendor application, then you can contact us directly through your screen. Let's talk about what you will get in this project. You will get user application, seller application, delivery boy application, admin panel, website, complete source code and 1 year technical support. You will get some amazing features like weather-wise delivery charges, zone-wise delivery charges, wallet feature, refer and earn, loyalty point and live chat support. So this application will be the best application for multi-vendor meat delivery. If you want to start your own business like Licious, then contact us directly on your screen and we will see you in next video. Thank you.